Finish this sentence. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. How many of you have ever said that to one of your kids? When you say that to one of your kids, is it loving? Do you look at your child and go, sweetheart, you get what you get, and we don't get upset? Do you do it like that? Or is it towering over the child? You get what you get, and you don't get upset. And the kid's like, how did that help me? Imagine going out to dinner tonight to your favorite restaurant. You order your favorite meal. How many of you are steak eaters who eat steak meat? How many of you tear flesh with your teeth? Awesome. How many of you like your pasta? Like your Alfredo, your noodles, okay? How many of you like your seafood? You know, when you crack them open. How many of you don't eat at all or don't understand what I'm saying? Okay, fine. So imagine you go out to dinner at your favorite restaurant and you order your favorite meal, and the waiter brings all your friends what they ordered. And in front of you, the waiter puts a piece of tofu. And you say, excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. And the waiter says to you, you get what you get and you don't get upset. How many of you are okay with that? How many of you would not be okay with that? Raise your hand. Yeah, so why is it not okay for the waiter to say that to you? Well, whatever reason you're saying it's not okay for the waiter to say that to you is the same reason that it's not okay for you to say that to a child if you want a loving relationship with one of your kids. Does that make sense?